How about a 333? How about a 333 on the Outer Banks there? 700 weed killer in the Buckeye trying. How about your 333? 333, 700 weed killer in the Buckeye trying. Woo, I need to get some power in my wire. Power in the wire. 700 weed killer in the Buckeye trying. Well, by golly, nobody can hear this little rinky-dink station in the Buckeye. How about a DX Land? Hello, DX Land, 700 weed killer in the Buckeye trying. Boy, it's hell. It is hell when you ain't got no fire in your wire. Mother Nature acting funny this morning. Mother Nature acting kind of funny this morning. 700 weed killer in the Buckeye. We're listening. About DX Land. 700 weed killer. Weed killer. Weed killer in the morning. We're listening. Break. Hey, we're still going to keep throwing our hat out there. We're going to throw our hat out there again. 700 weed killer in the Buckeye. We're trying. Well, I reckon not. Oh, 700. We're going back and watching some more cowboy stuff. 700 in the Buckeye State. We're listening. I tried. Let's just scan the band real quick.
Hello. Cool deal. Hey, I do love to eat there. Come in the water, $40 every time we eat. It's nice. Good food, but we can't afford to do it every day.
I don't know how y'all eat 2 giants. That's a lot of food.
Well, my wife eats 2 pieces of hers and I lose 1. I eat all mine, because that's the way I eat. Normal people eat 2 or 3 meat.
Breaker?
Yeah. A giant, I could probably make 3 meals out of it.
Yeah, I would prefer, unless I had a lot of stuff to go with it. I got a big hollow hole that I got set up, and I ain't comfortable till it's full.
Yeah. If they ever add one of these shots to you, that'll change for you. You won't even want to do it.
You know what? That's why they make them extra holes in your belt. They make them extra holes in your belt so when you go out to eat, you can make yourself right.
Yes, I have heard a lot.
I knew you couldn't hear me, but I had to say it.
Shots, but
I haven't made a video in a while.
The doctor says we'll see what happens.
The truth is, the little mini, if I can get the mini, a bag of chips and a drink, then I'm content. But I can't get a mini with getting the cheese steak or the chicken cheese steak. They don't make those in minis. You only do the cold serve, hot serve. So most times me and my wife will get a
that works out good for you, that may come out cheaper. There's two long ones, right close to $40.
Yeah, that's a whole lot of food there, Brady.
Man, that'll give you something to talk about, won't it?
About that, I mean, you know, if you would grind it up and put it in a bowl, it really wouldn't be that. It just seems like a lot.
Hey, Breaker out there, can you hear me?
You heard him. Somebody said, no, that ain't a lot. That's a hell of a lot.
Well, you didn't hear me. I told you that's why you got extra loops in your belt buckle. You can expand it.
Hey, shit, man. I used to eat 3 whole chicken, right by myself. I can't do one now.
Ooh, Lord, you're in a different class than I am. Man, that's some good eating right there.
I'm not sure.
Well, that's what it is.
I'm just talking to myself. Thinking might get lucky.
Back when I was a young boy.
Let's scan around, see what else we got popping. Somebody's bleeding me over from somewhere. How about you, Sylvester? You out there this morning? Mr. Sylvester, weed killers rattling your coax. Damn, I'm getting bleed over from somewhere. Can't be. No. I don't get it. You're killing me, Blackjack. You're killing me.
I believe you said 203. I believe you said 203. Like I said, it's rough, man. Hello, 203. I believe you said 203. Right, Jackie, the fuck out trying to get it back. Come on. I'm getting knocked around. Windjammer, you know.
Top of the day there, Mr. Blackjack. I know you can't hear me, but I'm waving a hand. Weed killer.
All right, back 209. 209, this ain't rough in my radio, man. Now I'm going to let you know I did hear you, and I'm going to get back on the side. 209, break back downtown day, weekend waves. Have a great day. I see you. I've been upset yesterday, that's my problem. I had to work overnight, and I should be laying down getting some sleep because I got to go back in tonight. Hey, put it on your little Windjammer, Young Buck Apple. I'm pulling back. I'll see you.
Top of the day, Blackjack, weed killer waving. Oh, hell no. Get over that. Whoop, whoop. Boy, this is a video on how not to be heard. Lord have mercy. I can't get my foot in that. How could I get over that? Woo. Okay, let's scan on. A101 in the Carolinas. A101 out there in the Carolinas, 700 weed killer waving. I just ain't got no fire in my wire. Golly, that's all I've been doing is reading the mail. How about out there, 101, 700 weed killer waving? Oh, hell, he's talking now. Let's see what else we got. Somebody bleed me hard and this thing gonna get bleed over. Is that from 6? How about a DX Land? How about it out there, DX Land? 700, 700 weed killer in the Buckeye. Try.
I think you're going crazy on that keto, I'm not gonna lie.
Damn, that sounded like 2 guns. How about a DX Land? 700 weed killer. Try.
The Carolina is getting on down.
Yeah, I heard Shy Guy in the mix. I got Shy Guy.
That is Pistol Grip. I thought I recognized his voice. Hey, Pistol Grip. Pistol Grip, weed killer, waving.
Morning to morning. 701 getting on down.
Hey, Pistol Grip. Pistol Grip. 700 weed killer, waving.
Station down here on the coast of North Carolina this morning. 127. 701 getting up.
I do appreciate that. Like I told you on that, I'm broadcasting. West Galaxy side too. I told the local boys around me that it's going to take 200 to get this radio off my table. Stock Mike, you're 127 Brooklyn, New York.
How about a Pistol Grip? Hey, 127 Pistol Grip, New York. 700 weed killer, waving.
Hey, 23 around the Chesapeake Bay.
Man, I'll tell you what. If I don't get me an amp hooked up here soon, I'm going to flip out. Hello. Hey, Pistol Grip, Pistol Grip, Pistol Grip. Weed killer, weed killer, weed killer, weed killer in the Buckeye.
What's the same damn Stock Mike?
Hell, he's talking when I'm talking. Hey, Pistol Grip, Pistol Grip, 700 weed killer, waving.
Ain't no doubt about it.
Yeah, he has been on video game a couple of times. Let's start a video game as soon as the home charges up. And you'll have to see it again, man.
It's first one in the Carolinas getting on down.
You hear this how it's working out. I'm running a high mic knob on it. I'm not going to lie. I do got the mic knob about 230. About 230. 127 New York Land.
How about a Pistol Grip? Hey, Pistol Grip, 127, 700 weed killer, waving. I ain't gonna get it. I ain't gonna get it. I'm gonna hook my striker up. At least it's got a little more ass to it. Hey, Pistol Grip, we're gonna try you one more time. Pistol Grip, 700 weed killer, waving. Skip dying out. All right, Pistol Grip, I gave it a shot, buddy. Good hearing you in there if you got a copy. 700 weed killer in the Buckeye. We're listening.
717.
All right, well, I think I'm going to tighten up this video gate. I wasn't able to talk to nobody, but it's sure good hearing some old people out there.
I do got the New York City video camera rolling. 127 New York, back in the mail, video get rolling.
Hey, Pistol Grip, Pistol Grip, Pistol Grip. 700 weed killer waving. Damn, I'm trying to get on his video gate. Hey, Pistol Grip, 127. Mr. 127, Pistol Grip. 700 weed killer waving. Damn, I must have my copy stick turned south. How about a Pistol Grip weed killer in the Buckeye? Try. It just ain't gonna happen, man. I gotta have the conditions on my end, not vice versa. Anyway, Pistol Grip, good hearing you in my radio. Maybe you'll catch us on the video gate. Be 700 weed killer. Alright, everybody. Hope this might be enjoyable to you. If not, I tried. I talked to people this morning, New Hampshire and New York. But that was at 6:30 in the morning. I ain't got the conditions now. Y'all have a good day. And I will hear you next time. Be 700 Weed Killer.
I think I just heard 351.
351 in Florida?
701, sir. We got good ski conditions today. 127, got that.
Hey, Pistol Grip. Pistol Grip. 127 Weed Killer waving. Damn it, you're making me try again. Hey, Pistol Grip. Weed Killers are waving.
I do have the New York video here rolling, man.
Yeah.
All you guys sound audacious. I got the receive mark. I did a receive mark. This galaxy got, well, y'all see. 127 New York video sound rolling.
All right, Pistol, you're gonna have to look on the internet for your shit. Oh, Weed Killer, we're back in the bushes.